When your GE portable air conditioner won't turn on, systematic power troubleshooting is essential. We'll check each component in the power chain to identify the issue. First, examine the power cord carefully. Look for any visible damage, cracks, or exposed wires that could prevent proper electrical connection. A damaged cord is a safety hazard and will prevent the unit from receiving power. Next, verify the electrical outlet is functioning properly. Plug in another device like a lamp or phone charger to confirm the outlet has power. A voltage tester can also verify proper electrical supply. The LCDI plug has built-in safety features that can interrupt power. Locate the reset button on the plug and press it firmly. The indicator light should show proper function, and the test button should click when pressed. Check your home's electrical panel for tripped circuit breakers. A tripped breaker will be in the middle position between on and off. Reset it by switching fully off, then back on. Large air conditioners may require dedicated circuits. If the control panel remains dark while the plug light shows green, the unit may be defective. Other warning signs include repeated breaker trips, burning smells, or multiple electrical issues. These situations require professional diagnosis. These power checks address the most common reasons an air conditioner won't turn on. If your unit still doesn't respond after completing these steps, the issue may require reset procedures or advanced troubleshooting. If basic power checks don't solve the problem, the next step is resetting your air conditioner. There are two main reset methods to try. Some models also have a dedicated reset button either on the control panel or built into the power cord. Press and hold this button for a few seconds to reset the unit. Remote control problems are common troubleshooting issues. Start by replacing the batteries with fresh ones and check that no buttons are physically stuck or damaged. If your unit starts but then stops after a short time, there are three main causes to check. First, verify the timer isn't accidentally set. Second, check if your temperature setting is too close to the current room temperature. Third, examine the water tank, as many units have a safety shutoff when the tank is full. For newer GE Profile air conditioners, the Smart HQ app provides advanced diagnostic capabilities. You can monitor your unit remotely, receive error notifications, and access troubleshooting guides specific to your model. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, it's time to consult your owner's manual for model-specific error codes or contact GE Appliances support. For complex electrical or mechanical problems, a qualified HVAC technician should be consulted.